Imagine, you open your eyes for the very last time. Your heart beats once, then stops. But what happens in the next second? Most people think death is instant. Science says it's more complicated. The moment the heart stops pumping blood, oxygen stops reaching the brain. For a few seconds, brain cells are still alive. They're desperately using the last bit of oxygen they have. Some researchers believe this is why people who survive near-death experiences often report strange visions, bright lights, or intense memories. About 10 seconds after the heart stops, the brain begins to lose consciousness. The electrical activity starts fading. Your awareness of the world disappears. But surprisingly, some studies have detected brief bursts of brain activity, even after clinical death. It's almost as if the brain is making one final attempt to stay active. As oxygen levels continue to fall, communication between brain cells breaks down. The senses fade one by one. Sight becomes blurry. Sounds become distant. The body begins shutting down systems that are no longer essential. Minutes later, brain cells start suffering irreversible damage. At this point, recovery becomes extremely unlikely. Scientists still don't know exactly what consciousness experiences during these final moments. And that's what makes death one of the greatest mysteries in human history. One thing is certain. The second after death isn't a sudden switch. It's a process, a silent journey from life into the unknown. And even with all our technology, no one knows exactly what comes next. Subscribe this channel for more informative video.